Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you can tell, I have a check engine light, and when I scan it, it says it's a P0137 sensor 1 bank 1 sensor 2 issue. So best thing to do now is to go look at some live data. So we're gonna go in here, hit live data, let it connect, and then just work our way down. And then there it is right there, and you can see it's putting out 0 voltage. And if you look at the graph, there's nothing. Okay, so it's for some reason not reading anything. If you look at the front one, you can tell that it's actually doing something. Look at the graph, it's moving. If I hit the brakes, you can see it. If I rev it, you can see the drop, so you know that one's working. So I'm not seeing anything here. There's those, so we're gonna put it up on the lift and let's take a look underneath and see if we can discover anything. Okay, so let's bring you back then. Here it is. It's the one behind the cat over here. The exhaust is cooled off a little bit. It's still warm, but I took a 22mm socket. I have some other ones, but you can't put the full head because of this little clip here. This little clip, if you want to, to use a regular. But I was able to take the open end and then put some pressure on it and whack it a few times, and it came out okay. So there it is. And let's compare it with the new one. All right, here's the old one. There's the new one. It's a Denso. This is the second sensor, the one after the cat, and it looks identical. The connectors look the same. So we should get this put in there and go from there. We'll take the cap off. There should be already some anti-seize on there, and then we'll screw it in and tighten it up, and then we'll bring the car down. And then we'll see if we can warm it up and get some readings off of it and see if it changes anything. The new sensor is in, it's tight. Wrapped it, put it back in the loom right here, and then made the connection for the connector over there until it clicked. So if you get your hand back here and you can get it up there, I don't know, it's pretty dark. And then you can undo it. But right now it's back together, and let's take care of it. Okay, the range is between 0 volts to 170. It's right now it's pegged. Car's almost warming up. And I'm gonna see if it changes once we're on the ground. But otherwise, we'll see. We'll keep an eye on it and see if it works and if the light comes back. So again, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching the video, and have a great day, guys. Take it easy. Okay, guys, I am running the vehicle now. As you can see that there's a value with the oxygen sensor for the bank 1 sensor 2, and you can see that is actually actively running, and it's actually giving, and it results when I hit the throttle, and when I hit the brakes there, you can actually see that there's actual reaction. So the sensor is totally warmed up, and seems like it's working fine now. So that should get rid of the P0137 for me. So it was that second sensor that I replaced with the Denso unit. So all right, guys, take it easy, and see you on the next video.